I normally start these questions by just writing down the series in terms of A, the starting point, and the common ratio R. So, first term A, AR, AR squared, AR cubed, up to AR, well, actually to the n minus 1. And the reason for that n minus 1 is that n clocks up from 1, n being 1 here, n is equal to n. So if n is equal to 4, r is n minus 1. Okay, now let's put in these numbers. The question is asking for un, which is basically what they want is a formula that will generate any of these numbers in terms of what we know about a and what we know about r. Well, all that means is that we need to plug our values that we've just found for a and r into our general formula for the nth term. So if we now substitute our values, this is equal to 2 root 3 multiplied by r raised to the power n minus 1. And because we've got the same formula here, because effectively this is raised to the power 1, we can simplify this to 2 root 3 raised to the power n. And that is your answer. So in part B, they need us to find u3, and they need us to find an exact value. Now, this word exact is a very important word. Now, what that means is that if we get an answer involving root 3, which it's likely that we keep it as root 3 and we do not calculate it out. By the formula, u3 is equal to 2 root 3, all raised to the power 3. So splitting that bracket apart, this is simply equal to 2 to the power 3 and root 3 to the power 3. And that's equal to, well, 2 to the power 3 is 8. Let me write it out. It's root 3 times the root of 3 multiplied by the root of 3. Now, two of these will simplify. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So what we've got is 8 times 3 times root 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So it's 24 root 3. And that is your answer.